po, ang obligasyon ng Pangulo ay ginawa niya. Nagpatawag po siya ng isang special session at nasa kamay na po ito ng mga senador kung kayo rin po ay tutugon sa inyong obligasyon.
This was emphasized by Palace Press Officer Claire Castro when asked whether senators had reached an agreement regarding the leadership issue in the Senate. This comes as the special session of Congress is scheduled to take place today. According to Castro, the president's desire is clear to see order restored and for lawmakers to carry out their duties.
Sa ngayon po, hindi natin alam kung ano ang tunay na sitwasyon sa Senado, pero of course, ang gusto ng Pangulo ay magkaroon ng kaayusan sa Senado dahil kailangan sila talaga magtrabaho.
Castro was also asked whether the palace is concerned about the possibility of disruptions during today's session.
Alam po natin na sila ay dapat na maging professional at sila naman ay mga senador at alam naman nila ang kanilang mga tungkulin.
She also agreed with the statement of Senator Panfilo Lacson that the majority bloc is prepared for any dirty tricks that Senator Alan Peter Cayetano may attempt during the Senate's special session.
Magandang balita yan dahil siguro nga po nakikita na natin even before kung ano ba talaga yung mga naging aksyon ni Senator Alan Cayetano, hindi lamang dito sa Senado, kundi pati sa House of Representatives kung saan hindi niya rin binitawan agad-agad ang posisyon bilang House Speaker. Kahit na mayroong usapan, may term sharing agreement, hindi niya agad ito tinupad.
Castro insisted that the issue should be resolved for the benefit of the Filipino people. Kapatid Mobile Journal Julie Baiza, We Are One News.